Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. Today is Monday, so you know what that means. It is time for another food video. If you guys are new here and do not know who I am Jayden Siwa, also known as the Food Dude, and you guys are the Snack Pack. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button and become part of the Snack Pack. If you guys have not already seen today, my new merch is out. It is available for a limited time only. Once they are sold out, they are gone forever. They are going back in the freezer. You will not be able to get them, but what we are doing today is we are making the world's largest ice cream sandwich. Yes, you heard that right, the world's largest ice cream sandwich. So let's go ahead to the kitchen and get started.
I had this genius idea to make a giant cookie ice cream sandwich. So yes, these cookies are huge. These are, I would guess, about a medium-sized pizza cookie. Yes, I would say medium because they look like they'd be about a medium pizza. But we have 5 tubs of vanilla ice cream, some icing, some M&Ms. We got some toppings to put on, but we have to put on all the ice cream so we can make this giant sandwich. So let's load this ice cream in. This is way too small. I need a bigger spoon. I mean, I know it's not an ice cream spoon, but it can get more ice cream out faster. 1 tub of ice cream down, 4 more to go. This is going to be so big. We have 3 more tubs of ice cream to go. Let's keep adding it in. 2 tubs left. It's time for our final tub of ice cream. I can't wait to attempt to take a bite. Last scoop. All right, let's get the top one put on. Please don't break. No way, no way, it actually looks good. No way. It's literally so big. It's literally the crazy, oh God, it cracked the bottom cookie. Houston, we have a problem.
Houston, we have a problem.
Well, just use the plate. That's why I put a plate under it, right?
Yeah.
It's so heavy.
Going for a bite. There you
What? How am I gonna get a bite? There's no cookie. There's ice cream. So, for comparison to my ginormous, I think it's probably about 10 pounds-ish. This ice cream sandwich right here, this ice cream sandwich is ginormous, right? This is a little Mickey ice cream sandwich right here. This is a Mickey ice cream sandwich. This is baby. Look how little that is. Look how little baby sandwich. Yes, so tiny. This one is huge. This is the way I like to see my sandwiches. I broke it. We have a really big problem now. I broke it. I hit it really hard and broke it. Now that this is broken, that is it for this episode of the Food Dude. If you guys liked it, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button and become part of the Snack Pack. Do not forget to head over to thefooddudeshop.com today to get your Food Dude merch and match with me. But that is it, and I'll see you guys back here next time. Peace out.